So how do we connect our Bluetooth speaker here, as you can see, to our HP OMEN? So to be able to connect it here to our HP OMEN, we need to firstly put it into pairing mode. And quite often you do so by clicking on this power button right here, click and hold. So click and hold until you will hear this sound from it. So now when you hear a sound, then what we need to do then is to go into settings on our HP OMEN, go into Bluetooth and devices, and then click on add device right here, and then click on Bluetooth. Then just find it in here. Sometimes you have to click on show all devices, but this is mine right here, so I'm just gonna click on it. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to connect here, as you can see. So we're just gonna wait, and it's gonna say your device is ready to go. And you can see now if I play around with the sound, so you can see, yeah, we can hear it from this right here now. So basically that is exactly how to actually connect it.